Hello everyone, I am Anupama from Shriram Engineering College. The topic we are going to discuss today is construction equipment and machinery. This topic is very important for understanding how large scale construction is carried out. Today, in this session, I will mainly focus on its classification and the topic tractors. So, this session will contain classification of different construction equipments, earth moving equipments, tractors. So let's see the classification of construction equipment. So construction equipments can be classified broadly based on its function. Mainly, we can classify it as five types. The first one being the earthwork equipments. In the earthwork equipments, it comprises of earth cutting and moving equipments, excavation and lifting equipments, loading equipments, transportation equipments, compacting equipments, etc. For example, bulldozers, backhoes, loaders, tippers, sheet load rollers, smooth wheel rollers. All of these construction equipments comes under earthwork equipments. Similarly, in concreting plant and equipments, we have production equipments, transportation equipments, placing equipments, concrete vibrating equipments. So the production equipments comprises of batching plants and concrete mixers. Transportation equipments comprises of truck mixers and concrete dumps. Placing equipments like concrete pumps, conveyors, hoist, etc. Then the third category is material hoisting equipment. Hoist or like fixed mobile or forklifts and mobile cranes and tower cranes. All of these comes under material hoisting equipment. Then there are also some special purpose heavy construction equipments like crushing plants, screening plants, which comes under aggregate production equipment. Then concrete paver finishers, pile driving equipments, asphalt plants and asphalt pavers, which comes under asphalt mix production and placement equipments. Then there are tunnel boring machines, drill jumpers, dock bolters, etc., which are used for tunnel construction, which comes under tunneling equipments. Then finally, we have support and utility service equipments, which are pumping and dewatering equipments, pipe laying equipments, generators, welding equipments, etc. Now we will specifically see earth moving equipments. So earth moving equipments can be classified into two types: production equipments and the equipments used for digging, mining, moving the material. So production equipments are main equipments which are used for the main works. And service equipments are those equipments which will help the production equipments to do their task. For example, for small works, dozers can be used as a productive equipment, and in motor graders is used as a service equipment for dam construction or like service road for dam construction, etc. Now, okay, now in detail, we are going to look about tractors. So tractors are very important machine in construction. They act as prime movers, meaning they provide power. They can push, pull, or tow other equipment. They can also be used as a bulldozer when fitted with a blade. Tractors are classified based on their undercarriage. There are mainly two types of tractors. First one is crawler tractor and wheel tractors. The choice depends upon the site condition and work requirements. So crawler tractors are tractors which will be mounted on a tracks or like steel chains, and wheel tractors will be tractors which are mounted on a wheel or a rubber tires. Wheeled tractors. So wheeled tractors are tractors with rubber tires. They are faster and more mobile compared to crawler tractors. They are mainly used for towing equipment and transporting materials. They are suitable for long distance operations. The main advantage of wheel tractor is that it have high speed and high mobility. They are easy to move between sites. And the another main advantage is that it is lower cost. Maintenance cost, while compared to crawler tractor, is very low for a wheel tractor. However, they have very poor traction in muddy conditions. They can also get punctured in rocky wheels. That is the wheel Rubber tires can easily get punctured in a rocky area where the rocks can be sharp. Crawler tractors. Crawler tractors use steel tracks instead of tires. These tracks provide excellent grip on the ground. They are also used for heavy duty works like land clearing and housing. They are suitable for rough and uneven terrain because the tracks are very strong and is made of metal. Unlike the wheel tires, they can be used in rough and uneven terrain. The biggest advantage of crawler tractor is that it is high in traction. Because of its weight, it has high tractive power. They can work in mud, sand, and the slopes. They are very stable. They are slow and cannot be used on roads. But maintenance cost is a bit high while compared to a wheel tractor. Now here is a comparison table between the crawler tractor and wheel tractor. The key difference include traction, speed, and ground pressure. The crawler tractors are better for rough terrain. Wheel tractors are better for speed and long distances. Now, if we look at the advantages and disadvantages, wheel tractors are economical and fast, while crawler tractors are more powerful and stable. So the selection depends upon the project requirements. Suitability for different site conditions. For crawler tractors, it is suitable for muddy or swampy grounds. Sharp and rocky terrains, we can use crawler tractor. So the equipment selection mainly depend on the site condition. Crawler tractors can be used in a muddy and rocky areas, while wheel tractors are only suitable for firm grounds and road. Choosing the right equipment improves efficiency.